Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Student, page number 24. Chapter number 6: the coastal plains and the island. The eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It starts from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. It is wider than the western coastal plain. It is divided into two parts. The northern half of the eastern coastal plain beyond the Krishna river is called the northern circus. The Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna make large deltas in the plain. This plain runs through the state of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is the most important seaport of the coast of northern because it has a big shipbuilding yard, an oil refinery and a steel plant. Kakinada, Maulipatam, Gopalpur etc. are smaller ports. South of the Krishna river is the Coromandel coast. The Kaveri is the most important river in this region. Chennai is the most important coast of the Coromandel coast. It is the third largest port and city of India. Vellore and Tuticorin are famous for pearl fishing. The plains are divided into 7 regions: the Mahanadi Delta, the Southern Andhra Pradesh Plain, the Krishna Godavari Delta, the Kanyakumari coast, Coromandel coast and sandy. The coastal plains are densely populated because of fertile alluvial soil where a number of food crops and cash crops are grown. Rice, fish, rubber and coconut are the major products of this region. Seaports have facilitated the growth of international trade in the country. This land away from the coast, two large groups of islands and situated. These islands are a part of our country, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. These islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are larger than those of the Arabian Sea island. These islands form a union territory. Indra Point, the southernmost point of the country, is located in the Nicobar Island. These islands are thickly forested and mostly inhabited by tribals. Port Blair is the capital of this island, the Lakshadweep Island. This group of islands lives in Malabar coast. These islands are very small in size. They form a union territory which covers their capital. These beautiful islands are made of coral. They are famous for tourism. One of the most interesting islands in Lakshadweep in the Minicoy Island. It is the largest and closer in language and culture to the Maldives. लेसन नंबर जो 6 है उसकी रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो गई है.